Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of running out of battery on the go? Look no further than the Anker Laptop Power Bank, the ultimate solution for all your portable power needs. This powerhouse of a device is lightning fast, portable, and packed with smart tech, including LED lights that make it easy to use in the dark. With its triple 100W USB-C ports, you can charge multiple devices at once, making it perfect for remote work, home offices, or powering up on the go. The 25,000 mAh capacity is perfect for long trips or extended camping, and with ultra-fast recharge speeds, you'll be back up and running in no time. You can charge up to 4 devices at once, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops, thanks to the dual USB-C cables, USB-A port, and USB-C port. This power bank is well reviewed by many customers who have made it their go-to portable power solution. The textured surface feels great in your hand, and the sound of the devices clicking into place is reassuring. When you're charging on the go, you'll appreciate the compact size and lightweight feel of this power bank. Whether you're a student, remote worker, or adventurer, this power bank is the perfect companion, providing you with the power you need to stay connected and productive. With its long-lasting battery and fast charging capabilities, you'll never have to worry about running out of power again. So why wait? Get your Anker Laptop Power Bank today and experience the freedom to work and play anywhere, anytime. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.